Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abhijit. Today I am going to draw Vidyut Jamwal outline drawing with the using of Drawing Grid Maker app. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's jump into the phone. First I open the Drawing Grid Maker app. Then select the pic from my gallery. Then line size 2. Then tick mark the box and square, and I2 10 row. Then save the pic. See now, Vidyut Jamwal grid pic was ready. Let's ready to my drawing paper. Height and width both sides point out by 1 inch by 1 inch first. Then added the point on both sides. At first carefully see now how much part is coming in which box. Just do a drawing like this. Right now I draw eye part. Now I draw nose outline. Now I draw lips part. Carefully see now how much part is coming in which box. Just do a drawing like this. And try to copy the as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw hair part. Carefully see. Now I draw body outline, and please carefully see the how much part is coming in which box, and try to copy as it is shown on the picture. You clearly see now Vidyut Jamwal outline drawing is ready for shading. Friends, I hope you like my drawing. If you like my drawing, then hit the like button and share with your friends. And those who are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest update.